This circle represents some of the most beautiful things in our life, but most importantly, it represents the amazing struggle and the resilient journey of artists from all over the world. Hi, I'm the Soul Star, and this is Star. And today I'm going to share with you all why the circle is the best art ever created. Look at this. Does it remind you of something? The most beautiful things in our world resembles a circle, like the eye with which we see the world around us and our world itself, our planet, our Mother Earth, home to billions of people, the base of our existence, and it looks like a circle, to be honest. And when two people fall in love with each other and they promise to be with each other forever, they use this ring, which is a circle, most popular game on earth, or a delicious pizza, or just a kid blowing some bubbles in the air, or maybe a sunrise or sunset that you're staring from your plane. And even the moon looks like a circle if you stare at it. I'm challenging myself to draw a perfect circle, and I have 100 tries to get it right. At first I thought it's a piece of cake. That was my ego talking, and I thought I was gonna nail it in the first try, but that didn't happen. So I kept trying and drawing, but I kept failing. I started freaking out, like I couldn't even draw a circle. I mean, what is happening? But turns out it's not that easy to draw a circle freehand. I was embarrassed and I failed horribly. My ego was shattered into a million pieces. I've been drawing art for so long, but I couldn't even draw a circle, and this really humbled me because I was so lazy. I always used to use this circle ruler to draw circles, and I thought it was okay, but now I realized I couldn't even draw a circle. So it's time to learn how to draw a circle. So I found so many amazing tutorials, and Star was proud of me that I was trying to draw a circle, and I was really happy. So I did what I could. I started practicing. I finally understood the importance of circle. This circle is the struggle, resilience, and hard work of so many digital artists who put their heart and soul into each and every single one of their artworks. They all started as a beginner. They start by knowing nothing, and then they keep practicing, they keep learning, and they evolve. The struggle of an artist is real. From knowing nothing to learning, researching, hours of practice, and not giving up, slowly seeing progress. All this begins with a circle. After failing 99 times, I had one chance left to win this challenge, and I started to draw my last circle. I failed. But it's okay, because it's not about being perfect. It's about effort. It's about trying. And it's about never giving up. Embrace your imperfection. What I learned: respect the struggle, avoid taking shortcuts, and stop comparing and chasing perfectionism, and keep learning and improve my art patiently. Hey guys, I hope you guys love this video, and I'm gonna make more videos like this. So like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, check out this video on the screen and show your support. Thank you for watching this video.